Guys, so I had several people ask me to do a video of how I made the acai bowls that I posted a picture of on social media, I think on Monday. So making it tonight for my husband and myself. My husband has called these bay bowls, so let's get into making a bay bowl. So with an acai bowl, you make the base, and the base is the smoothie part. And so I'm just going to show you guys. This is the acai. I got it from Whole Foods. I think it was $5.99. You can see it's made by this Sambazon, I guess is how you say it. It comes in a sweetened version and an unsweetened version. I recommend getting the unsweetened version. Then you want to use some more frozen fruit. This is just a berry medley, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. This helps it stay purple, but you don't have to do that. You can use mangoes, you can use any frozen fruit, but these are just the ones that I'm going to use to do with the acai. Then I'm going to use a banana. Depending on how the base looks, I might add a half of a banana into it. So a banana or 1.5 bananas will work. I'm going to put some Target brand Nutella in it. Probably about 2 tablespoons of this. Also going to throw in some, sorry y'all, don't beat up your banana. Also going to throw in some chai seeds because these are just good for you. I don't really measure anything, I just kind of shake just a little bit in there. And then you need a little bit of liquid. I'm using this Silk Vanilla Almond Milk. You can use really any type of milk. If you're lactose intolerant, maybe something that you can use, I don't know. But so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna blend. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that half of the banana because I want it to be a little bit more thick and creamy. So. All right, guys. So here is the acai base. What I do is when I'm chopping up the toppings, I put this in the freezer so that it can kind of thicken up just a little bit. You can do that or not, just it's your preference. So what I do is first do the granola. This is bare naked. It doesn't have to be this brand, of course. I got this from Sprouts. With Nutella, and then this peanut butter I found at Whole Foods. So good. Justin's peanut butter. This brand is so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished product.